Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing some Halloween nails. I got this practice hand that I wanted to use, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm also using polygel for the first time in ages. It does not look that good. I'm just gonna spoil it now, but I tried my hardest, okay? The nails on this thing, I don't know how to glue them down. If anybody knows, please let me know in the comments. But I don't know. So they just been flopping around the entire time, and you can see I'm holding the base of the nail when I do the polygel, but usually I just get it all over myself and it's a whole sticky mess. I would have loved to do this set on myself, but I really messed up my pinky nail and lifted my natural nail. This happened a few weeks ago, but I'm still mad upset about it, you know? But I don't want to put a nail on it because it'll just lift up again, and yeah, so I decided to get this practice hand. I do want to get into doing more nail videos and getting better at that kind of stuff, because I never really improved. I've only done a couple of sets, but it was always really fun doing nail things, so I'm definitely gonna get more into that and just getting my practice in and making more videos. I still want to do my weird gaming videos. I haven't made a Minecraft video in probably 3 or 4 weeks. I don't know if anybody who watches my nail videos watch my Minecraft videos. They're not that good, if I'm gonna be honest. I don't know, I just wanted to put some other content out there. Also, I say this in every video, but everything that I use is gonna be in the description with links. For the two accent nails, I kept them clear because I did buy some really cute Halloween glitters, and I also bought some more Macar clear polygel. I go in with a brush and try to sprinkle it on, but literally only 2 things get on it, Anyways, doesn't matter because I go with my tweezers and I like mess with it. Watch me take out the nail. That's gross. Anyways, you can see I like hold down the pumpkin because it was like up. And then I just go with more base coat just so like everything's like set down before I go in with the clear polygel. I honestly think I put the clear polygel on better than like the green. In the end, it was kind of like weird and like I did not cover like the ends that well, but I just had to fix that after filing. I don't think I showed that later on. And also, they were like way thicker than the other nails and kind of lost the coffin shape, but I'm still learning, so I'm not gonna really like beat myself up on that because I think I still did a pretty good job. This cat glitter, probably the most annoying glitter ever, because it has so many parts to it, and when I had to cure it, I had to like keep putting more base gel and like holding it down, and I got gel all over my tweezers, so I gotta figure out how to take that off. The tail wouldn't go down, the head went down, the legs were kind of like just there. But it was too cute, I had to use it. And then I also forgot to record me encapsulating it, but there's a little bit here. See, they really don't look that bad, guys. I swear, they actually look really cool. But I wasn't gonna record myself filing. I'm using the Macart file Steffi with this drill bit. I wasn't gonna record myself filing just cause like it's annoying, but honestly, it got like really easy to file. I think I shaped them out pretty good, kind of, not the best. I put down a bunch of paper towels just because there's always so much dust and I hate it. I need to get one of those dust collectors. Okay, going in with this glow-in-the-dark gel, I just bought these and I'm literally in love. I'm just putting that over the green. I know I could have literally just used clear polygel in all the nails. I don't use a lot of my gels and I was like, why not, you know? But I did like 2 coats of the green. By this point in the video, I drank a Monster and 2 cups of coffee, so my hands were just popping off at this point. They were so shaky, and honestly, I could have drawn these spider webs way better if I wasn't like hyped up on caffeine, but you get the idea still. I'm making this as like a tutorial, like, oh, follow me, but don't do it exactly like me because I'm kind of dumb. even though it's not perfect, it actually looks so cute. I also go in with some like extra green. It is kind of sheer, so it's kind of hard to like clean up with, but I did try to like clean up any like harsh lines with it. It didn't do much, but it did at least something. I was just gonna put all the webs around the cuticle area because I think that it was so cute around the cuticle, but I wanted to just do something different, and I just put them all in like different places at like different sizes. Also, my mini lamp is on the side of the screen right there. I just covered it with stickers I got from like Cider when I like shopped from them, and it's super cute, but honestly I think I use it way too much. It's probably gonna like break soon, and I really just need to buy an actual big lamp because it's kind of annoying curing one nail at a time most of the time. Sometimes you could do like the first four and then do your thumb, but it is so annoying. Okay, the thumbnail since the beginning was probably the worst nail out of all of them, just because I don't know what was up with this one, but it did not want to stay at all in the nail bed thing, and it just kept moving, and it was so hard to control. But I tried to cover it around like the area where it was like the worst, which I thought was around like the cuticle area. See, it doesn't look that bad. I did have to do like 2 or 3 coats of top coat just because I put the webs on super thick, and after just one top coat it was still like bumpy. You could feel like the design under. I wanted to show you guys me painting the clear one because that's always super satisfying. You guys aren't even ready. Just look at the glow. It's literally radiating off of the nails. But that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed. If any of you guys are like actually good at nail stuff and have some tips for me, please let me know in the comments. I appreciate it. I hope to see you guys next time. Maybe it'll be in Minecraft or maybe it'll be in real life.